Hello everybody and welcome to this webinar, How to Navigate Tricky Ethical Scenarios and Minimize Risk in Your Law Firm. So in terms of timings for today, we should be around the hour mark, and materials you will have made available to you a handout. I'm going to be referring to this at various points during the webinar, so it would be good to have it in front of you if you can. Who am I? For those who don't know me, my name is Rebecca Atkinson and I'm known as Bex. I was a General Counsel, Compliance Officer for Legal Practice, Money Laundering Reporting Officer and Money Laundering Compliance Officer and Data Protection Officer at a London law firm for 10 years. And I'm a qualified individual, as you'll see on the screen there, and I run my own practice, MacArthur Atkinson Limited. My email address is on the screen there for you as well if you want to email me after this webinar to ask any questions about it, or if you want to reach out to me because you have some need in the risk and compliance space, and I advise on all areas of risk and compliance. So let's first of all go through the agenda for today. So the first thing we're going to cover is an overview of the SRA principles and codes. And then we're going to talk about the SRA's approach on ethics, and a short note, because we have time in this webinar, I thought I would add it in, a short note on sexual misconduct. And then we'll talk about how to navigate those ethical scenarios that you might have to come up for you in your practice, whether you be a risk and compliance person or whether you be a fee earner listening to this. And then we have 6 ethical scenarios that I'm going to talk you through. And then we will talk about how to ensure those in the firm really understand what the principles mean, the codes of conduct and ethics. So I'll give you some ideas on how you might approach that. And then also I'll just give you some resources if you want to do some further reading to better understand the topic that we're talking about today as well.